Hello everyone. Well, this is a first for me. I've never had this happen before, but somebody looked at my YouTube channel and asked me if I would do a review on some of their items. This is one of them. So I'm not being paid to do the video, but this was sent to me for free for a review. So let's see what's in here. We're going to open her up and see what's in here. So I can't have my normal amount of spicy fun here in my word choices because I'm kind of on the clock, I guess you could say. So let's see what these look like. You'll obviously know from the title what they're going to go in. Okay, those are okay. Remember, plastic bags are not a toy. I don't remember growing up and playing with plastic bags, but I guess you should keep it away from the little ones there. You know what? These are pretty cool because they seem to be durable, and you can just take them out of your car and just what's in here? Oh, it's got Velcro things. I'll be dogged. Okay, let's put that there. Put that back there. So you get these little Velcro. I guess there'll be some instructions in here. So, all right. Dang, it's hot outside. Okay, so there are those, and then Velcro on this side. Okay. Okay, and Velcro that goes that way. All right, well, I'm going to take the rest of these out, and we'll a lot quicker with two hands. So let me get these unwrapped and see if there's some instructions in here. Okay, it's pretty obvious. This is the whole shooting match here. That's got to be the rear cargo and the fronts and I guess the back, and that might be going like kickboard. I don't know how to see. I don't really know what they are. I know what some of them are. So here's the steps. Uncontrollable shipping. Did you hate that? Here's some tips. Please fold them at the opposite direction. Then you fold it downwards. Flatten it. Heavy object for a couple hours. Put it in the sun. Help soften the material and restore to correct shape. So you get these two. I guess that's a bridge piece of some kind. Front two looks like the back, and a cargo thing. So we'll see how they go. So there you go. Oh boy. Yeah, that's a pretty neat kit. Look at that, drew a little sunshine there. Well, we're gonna have to fix this up now. We don't want to have a. There you go. I want to make him a little bit of a sunny day. Okay, you are my sunshine. Can't see it. There you go, smiley sun. Speaking of smiley sun. Let's see if... Oh, he ate all his food. You out here, kitty? There's kitty. Uh-oh. Kitty can't come in. Hey, kitty. Say hey to everybody. Okay, you can't come in. She did a crazy thing the other day. She got up on the grill back here. You might have seen it in my other video. She climbed up on the grill, I guess, to catch some sun. I told her she needed to count her blessings and that I wasn't a Haitian. Okay, I confess, I didn't even look at this before I opened the box. I didn't know what to expect, but I opened it now, and there's the way it works. You got your cargo liner, and those go on the back seat and the center console and the floor and then the front. So, okay, now we know what it all does. And there'll be a link in the description below. And, yeah, okay. Shows you everything you need to know here. And there's videos and everything. Dang, it got them for everything, don't they? Well, sadly, it does not fit my 1967 Jaguar E-Type. That's too bad. So maybe I cut them up and put them in there. Don't worry, I'm not going to do that, Daisy. I promise. Okay, so now let's look back at that picture again. That's what the Velcro's for. I get it now. It just takes me a little time. The Velcro is to hold those up to the back things. Oh, that's right, because I never do this because I got a pickup truck. But you can fold those seats down. That's right. And so you can Velcro those up. I bet you that's the only thing that has Velcro on it. So let's go back here. I believe I used to live in a 10,000 square foot house. I'm glad I don't anymore. So it's all much better. So there's the Velcro. And so the Velcro strips will be on the back of these. Right-to? Right-to. So, okay, that explains all that. Okay, so if you're wondering how it all works, that's how it all works. So, see, that's more my speed right there, but anyway, you gotta have a dependable, gotta have a, you know, something that doesn't leak. One of the only cars I got that doesn't leak. Okay, I get it now. It took me a minute. I'm just being honest with you guys. Alright, it's late in the afternoon. It's cooled off a little bit after a little rain. So we got all the floor mats in the trailer. So there's only one thing to say. And that's floor mats ho! Been watching too much Wagon Train, haven't I? We're going to go to the back of the barn. It's this time of day. So that's where all the shade is. We need to harvest some hay, don't we? It's about time. It's a little wet right now. So here's the car. It's a 2025 CX5 Mazda. So we're going to see how these work. And it's going to be just fine. So, all right, let's see how they go. They're right here. Let's see what they look like in here. Okay, so the comments I've gotten so far is that liking the fact, this is the very first one I put in. Oh, look at that. Well, not here so much, but the one in the back one, they said this lip will keep stuff from going up under the seat. Look how that covers it. Ooh, that fits beautifully. Look at that. Wow. Okay, impressed. Okay, well, that's number one. Okay, so we got the seats forward. And let's just see how this goes. Well, this fits right in there. Just floats it on out there. So this is what I was saying. This having this block right here keeps stuff from getting up in here. There's a big old rubber band of some kind I found. And so anyway, all right, that fits great. Golly, that's really amazing. All right, well, interestingly enough, it comes with these strips. I guess you could use them, but it sticks to the carpet perfectly. So it's cleared for the latches, it's cleared for your tethers. And so we got this back in, it fits fine. Now, I was supposed to lay it in the sun for a while, but I didn't do that, but I don't think I needed to. It'll get hot enough in a car. So there's no additional Velcro there, and it holds fine. So you can see it clears right here, there. So that's in. Well, only one thing I can say. I gotta give them a thumbs up. I like that for $99. And if you spilled something, it would catch it. If you had any fluids, it would catch it. So yeah, that would settle in. Let's get this going here. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I remember to pull that lip up. So that's a goer as far as I'm concerned. So we'll pull this up and you'll see that it latches. Thing's spring loaded. Yeah, that one piece thing will be nice because it keeps it from moving about. So, all right. Well, I think that's okay with me. Sweat bee. All right. Well, thanks for spending time with me. And I don't know. When I looked them up after I got them, and kind of see, there's that Velcro stuff. I was sort of thinking they'd be more than they were. So anyway, well, that's all there is. That's all you can see. So I want to go back in. So we'll talk to you later. Thanks for spending time with me. And I'm going to go spend some time with a cool drink. Me and Cool Hand. Bye-bye.